Hello everybody. Today I will explain you the formula based on chapter surface areas and volume. There are different shapes in this chapter whose surface area and volume we have to find out. These shapes are, it is the cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere and cone. Okay. Now one by one you see its diagram I have drawn here. Check the curved surface or lateral surface area of cube. That is the curved surface area, means all four sides. That is 4a square. Total surface area, there are 6 faces of equal area. So it is 6a square. Volume of cube, it is a cube, means side cube, and diagonal of the cube, it is a root 3. Okay. Next formula is cuboid. There are length, breadth and height of cuboid. So total surface area of the cuboid, there are 2 faces are same area. These 2 faces are the same area, and front and back these faces are same area. These faces are same areas. So okay. Total surface area of the cuboid is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. So okay. Length into breadth. This one is breadth into height, and this to it is the breadth into height, and this one is length into height. So this is the total surface area. Now lateral surface area, all 4 sides, okay, without top and bottom, that is the 2 into length plus breadth into height. 2 into length plus breadth means perimeter into height. Okay. Area of 4 walls, that is also same. Perimeter of base into height. So 2 into length plus breadth into height. Diagonal of the cuboid, that is under root length square plus breadth square plus height square. And volume of cuboid, it is length into breadth into height. Next figure is cylinder. Curved surface area, this is the curved part, okay. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi rh. 2 pi r is circumference and into h. So 2 pi rh. Total surface area is pi r square, the area of base into height. So okay. Total surface area, it's a volume pi r square into h, and total surface area is curved surface area and area of top and bottom circular part. So it is 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. If you take common 2 pi r, it is 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay, it is the TSA of cylinder. Volume is pi r square h. Now another is hollow cylinder. In hollow cylinder, there are 2 radius. Inner radius is r1 and outer radius, that is the r2. So okay, from the center to outside, this r2, and height is the same for inner and outer, it is the h. So inner curved surface area, total surface area of the hollow cylinder, that is the inner CSA, outer CSA plus 2 into area of this ring. So okay, this one ring and this one ring. Now that is 2 pi r1 into h plus 2 pi r2 into h plus 2 into pi r2 square minus r1 square. That is 2 pi into h into r1 plus r2. From here we have taken common, and from this you can change it into identity r1 plus r2 into r2 minus r1. So we have to take the common as r1 plus r2, and it was 2 pi is common from these 2. Now h plus r2 minus r1. Okay. It is the total surface area of the hollow cylinder. Now cone is the slant height is L, height is h, and base radius is r. So curved surface area of this hollow cylinder is pi r L. Okay, and total surface area is curved surface area plus base area. This base is a circular part, so pi r l plus pi r square, that is pi r is common, r plus l. Okay, and volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Got it? Next is sphere. That is its curved surface area and total surface area is the same. It's the only surface area you can write. So surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square and volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. Now hemisphere, it is half of the sphere, so it is curved surface area is 2 pi r square and total surface area is 2 pi r square plus pi r square is the area of this circular base. It is 3 pi r square. Okay, 2 pi r square plus pi r square is 3 pi r square and volume is 2/3 pi r cube. Done it? Next is surface area of the hollow hemispherical part. That is the inner surface area, outer curved surface area and this area of this ring. Okay, circular ring. So 2 pi r square plus 2 pi capital R square means outer radius plus pi into r2 square minus r1 square, that is this ring, area of this ring. So 2 pi is the common, it is r capital R square plus small r square plus pi into capital R square minus small r square. Okay, if you change it, it is pi is common, 2 r square plus 2 small r square and it is, so okay, 2 capital R square and it is r square here, so it is 3 r square and it is 2 r square minus r square, it is r square only. So it is the total surface area. Thank you very much.